Okay, I'm going to try to make this video pretty short. This is basically my weekly update or whatever. Okay, so again, thanks to this user named whatever, Leod. He put together a sprite that just basically displays the graphics. And where is that? Anyway, he did it. And so this guy right here, Leo, put together this sprite, and it can do the graphics, okay, because I kind of ran out of colors, okay? So there's all those colors with the palettes, with the sprites. So anyway, so I opened up the ASM file, and I just got to work on figuring out what to do. I'm just going to explain everything right here. This first little bit right here, okay, this first little part, basically, you look in your 8x8 editor, and you pull values out of that from Lunar Magic. These are the palettes. Now the X and Y is very interesting, okay? This X and Y thing, because it's not the coordinates from Lunar Magic. It says, so simply put in Lunar Magic coordinates, and it's not. I had to find out the coordinates by trial and error. The X coordinates seem to work like I'm putting in 6, 7, 8, 9. It seems to count just, you know, like spaces over from left to right. But the Y coordinates are just, it's not the same as the Lunar Magic coordinates. You got to come up with new coordinates. Anyway, so I've been manually inserting these sprites as just graphic tiles. Here's the sprite that does the graphics, and now we're going to look to see what this thing looks like, okay? And here's the crazy thing. Let's just look at it. Okay. And there you go, okay? So all of this whole Mario thing right here, it's all just a sprite. And this is what I can't believe, okay? When I was inserting him, I only got like halfway through inserting Mario, and then Kamek started disappearing. And I said, oh shit. That means that I'm not going to be able to do this on a standard ROM, okay? But then I changed the sprite memory settings, okay, with the little, whatever, Lakitu. I changed it, and I went to every single setting on there, and all of them had Kamek disappearing, except for this one setting that I picked, and it was the only one that worked, and Mario and Kamek are non-conflicting. And I just can't believe that, because, like, I have this, you know, big logic thing to insert here, right? I have this big thing to insert, and I just hope to God that it doesn't conflict with Kamek and make Kamek disappear. I hope all the tiles will show up. If it doesn't show up, I'm going to have to do that SA1 thing, okay? Because I'm dead set on inserting this into the game. And I need those palettes to insert the logic logo. In fact, I only have 2 palette rows left to do that, which should be enough. I might have to reduce the colors on the logic logo, but it should be enough for me to insert it. And Mario was a pain in the ass because he had so many different colors on him. I think I had to use like 3 color palette rows just for Mario. I know that sounds crazy, but I didn't want to do that, but I had to, because like his shoes, there's a lot of colors in here. His face, there's a lot of colors in there. The little yellow button thing, like it was like, it's just in with all of the other colors, and it's just a pain in the ass to deal with. So yeah, this, I've been working on it for a long time, and I can't even believe that I got that in the game. I just don't even believe it. And if I can put the logic logo in there without shit getting messed up, I will just be the happiest person in the world. because if I can't get the Logic logo in there, I'm going to have to use that SA1 thing, and I'm going to have to get somebody to help me out with that. And I don't want to have to deal with that. So yeah, I got basically half the sprite tiles inserted. I have the whole logo to insert now, and as long as the game will just allow it and not conflict with anything, if it'll draw the sprite tiles, I will be the happiest person ever in all existence. So yeah, so Mario is a sprite. Okay, Mario is inserted as a sprite. That's what he is.